Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our southbound journey along Interstate 95 in South Carolina. Interstate 95, or I-95, is a major highway that runs along the east coast of the United States, connecting cities from Miami to Holton, Maine. In South Carolina, I-95 stretches approximately 200 miles from the North Carolina border near Dillon to the Georgia border near Hardeeville. Construction of I-95 in South Carolina began in the early 1960s, with the first section opening in 1968 between Gable and Dillon. By 1978, the entire stretch within the state was completed, providing a crucial link for both local and interstate travel. As we travel south, we pass through the P.D. Regio asterisk, characterized by its flat lands and gentle rolling hills. This area marks the fall line, the natural boundary between the Piedmont and coastal plain regions. This geographical feature has influenced the development and settlement patterns along our route. Approaching the town of Santee, we encounter Lake Marion, the largest lake in South Carolina. Spanning over 110,000 acres, Lake Marion offers recreational opportunities and serves as a vital resource for the surrounding communities. Continuing our journey, we pass near the town of Manning, the county seat of Clarendon County. Manning is known for its rich history and as a gateway to the Santee National Wildlife Refuge, a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. As we near our destination, the landscape transitions to the lowcountry, with its distinctive marshlands and coastal ecosystems. The town of Walterboro, located just to the east of I-95, is renowned for its historic district and as the front porch of the lowcountry. Finally, we reach Hardeeville, a small community known for its proximity to the Savannah National Wildlife Refuge, a 29,000-acre haven for migratory birds and other wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this scenic drive along I-95, where history and geography intertwine to showcase the diverse landscapes and communities of South Carolina.